Hello and welcome to Let's Learn English. Before we start this lesson, look at these short clips. A husband and wife in the same situation, facing the same problem. No milk.
There's no milk left, darling.
Oh, really? I'll get some from the shop.
There's no milk left, darling.
I know. I'm gonna get some after the match.
You just saw two almost identical situations, but with two different sentences. I'll get some and I'm going to get some. Why two different future forms? That's exactly what I'm going to explain in this lesson. When to use will and when to use be going to. Clearly, simply, and with real examples. By the end of this lesson, you'll feel confident choosing the right future form every time. Now let's start section 1. When we use will. The first case, a decision made at the moment of speaking. We use will when we decide something right now, at the moment of speaking. For example, here.
There's no milk left, darling.
Oh, really? I'll get some from the shop.
The wife said,
There's no milk left, darling.
and the husband replied.
Oh, really? I'll get some from the shop.
This expression, oh really, shows that the man didn't know before. He didn't plan it. So, he decided to bring some milk when his wife told him that there is no milk left. So, it's a decision at the moment of speaking. The second case, a prediction based on opinion. We also use will for predictions based on our opinions and feelings, not on evidence. For example,
I think it will rain.
you see that the sky is cloudy, so you say, I think it will rain. So this is your opinion. It's not based on evidence, but just you feel or you think in your opinion from what you can see that it will rain. Now the third case, a future fact. We use will to talk about future facts or things that you know will happen. For example, we say, the sun will rise tomorrow. All humans will die. The world will end one day. Now the fourth case, promises and offers. Finally, we use will to make a promise or offer.
You don't even have to worry. I will come to your party.
That means so much. Thank you.
This is a promise. She's giving a promise to her friend that she will attend her party.
I will come to your party.
It's heavy. I'll help you.
This is an offer. The man saw that the woman is in need of help, and then he decided to help her. It's an offer, and it's also a decision at the moment of speaking. Now let's summarize. Will is for quick decisions, opinions, future facts, promises, and offers. Now let's look at be going to. Section 2. When we use be going to. The first case, a decision made before the time of speaking. We use be going to when the decision was made earlier, before the time of speaking. For example, here.
There's no milk left, darling.
I know. I'm gonna get some after the match.
The wife said,
There's no milk left, darling.
and the husband replied.
I know. I'm gonna get some after the match.
The expression I know shows that the man already knows that there is no milk left and he decided then to bring some milk when the match finishes. So the decision was made before the time of speaking. That's why here we use be going to. The second case, a prediction based on evidence. We also use be going to when we can see that something is about to happen. For example,
Watch out! You're gonna bang your head against the tree!
he noticed that the man is going straight forward to the tree, and the result is 100% hitting the tree. That's why he used be going to here.
Watch out! You're gonna bang your head against the tree!
Now let's summarize. Be going to is for earlier decisions and predictions based on evidence. Now let's have a quick comparison. I'll get some. It's a decision at the moment of speaking. I'm going to get some. It's a plan before the time of speaking. It will rain. It's a prediction based on opinion. You're going to bang your head. It's a prediction based on real evidence. Now let's practice the last section. I'll show you the situation and you choose the correct form. The first example. The phone is ringing. What would you say? I'll answer it. Or, I'm going to answer it. That's right. It's a decision at the moment of speaking. I already bought the tickets. We'll travel next month. Or, we're going to travel next month. We're going to travel next month. It's a plan before. Don't worry. I'll help you. Or, I'm going to help you. Yes, it's an offer. He's driving so fast. He will crash. Or, he's going to crash. It's a prediction based on real evidence. Number 5. The train will arrive in 10 minutes. Or is going to arrive in 10 minutes. That's a future fact and something you know will happen. Number 6. People will probably stay home this weekend. Or, people are going to stay home this weekend. Yes, it's a prediction based on opinion. Now you know the real difference between will and be going to. If you like this lesson, hit like, subscribe and comment. See you in the next lesson. Thanks for watching.